What's up, Ratchet?
What's up, Ratchet?
This is the Ratchet sign, so when you see any of us or any of your other Ratchet friends,
or anyone
who's
just Ratchet. Okay. Oh, can't do that. That hurts.
Should I get baby Chique?
Ratchet Chique.
Fine. She's funny. Come back. Chique, do that.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. For free? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, bye guys.
Wait.
We don't know nothing about Chique. We just know she's adorable. What is it?
No.
No?
Maybe you would see that.
What?
Babysitter.
Babysitter.
Babysitter. See that.
How old are you now? Are you 2? No, 2.
2.
2.
No, I'm too picky. This is definitely going on Facebook.
Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me.
Me too. I love you, Chique. You what?
Say I love you.
I love you.
Say you're Ratchet.
Ratchet.
There we go. Okay. Now, people of the world.
Baby.
No, not say that, people of the world.
Bye guys. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
I see.
Chique.
Chique. Mira.
Bye.
No, it's like that. Okay, bye.
Bye.